Hello, my name is Gary Still and I'm a Senior SAP Business Process Transformation Consultant for RapidX. Welcome everybody to this session where I'll be showcasing the power of SAP Signavio Process Insights for identifying and initiating data cleansing opportunities. Now, cleansing your master and transactional data is crucial for any successful S/4HANA migration, but knowing what to cleanse and how to go about it can be a challenging and time-consuming task, as it can often find itself at the bottom of your list of priorities. And you may actually end up employing a lift and shift approach with your data, but you ignore data cleansing at your peril. It's absolutely imperative for organizations to begin life on S/4HANA with business relevant data only, free from waste and contamination, so they can experience not only a smoother and more efficient transition in the first place, but start with a clean slate to unlock the full potential of moving to S/4HANA. Now here we have some of the key activities of the core phases of SAP Activate Methodology for transformations. I'm going to be talking and focusing on the importance of getting visibility and understanding of your as-is process execution during the prepare phase, and how you can already start making essential preparations for data migration by seizing opportunities for transactional cleansing. For this, we're going to leverage on the pre-built analytics capabilities of SAP Signavio Process Insights. So this is Process Insights from the perspective of a process flow. Now, process flows are essentially end-to-end processes. This is a purchase order creation to invoice receipt flow, and you can see we are presented with a number of useful insights already. The number of items, the blockers or inefficiencies, if you will, completion rates and cycle time, together with some industry benchmarking, so that you can see how you are performing against your peers, in this case the chemicals industry. The system has identified 5 blockers, which are typically will be in red and warrant our immediate attention. If we click into the open and overdue purchase order items for delivery, we see a worryingly high 19% affected rating, which suggests there's plenty of scope for improvement. Now further down, we see the results displayed graphically, split by document type in this case, showing the item count and percentage distribution. There are various attribute filter options to help pinpoint where the bulk of the issue lies, for example by plant or by purchasing organization. You can also display the results by monetary value, and here you can clearly see that financially the affected documents make up a huge percentage of the overall cases. But to specifically capture cleansing opportunities, we are only interested in old and redundant data, not business relevant data. So for this, we need to go to correction recommendations. Here we see a list of all the correction activities that you can begin to undertake. The system has automatically identified purchase orders where the delivery date is over a year ago, and so very unlikely to be business relevant, and provided detailed instructions on how to close the documents, which can then be potentially subject to archiving. Open and overdue purchase orders can cause issues with not only the P2P process, but subsequent processes such as sales or production as well, as they can impact ATP and MRP and lead to inaccurate planning results, for example. Here we can view and even download the list of documents and even jump directly into the managed system, in this case ECC, to view the documents there. You can also use the value calculation feature to set a cleansing target, either by document count or improvement percentage, and then track financially the value that you are realizing. Now finally, and a new handy feature introduced recently allows you to build your own custom dashboards where you can, for example, place trend graphs from all of your data cleansing initiatives. So what are the key takeaways from this session? In a nutshell, transactional cleansing is essential for a smooth, efficient and effective data migration. So you can begin life on S/4HANA with a clean and uncontaminated system and be able to monitor and control redundant data going forward. Think of it this way. If you bought a new fridge for your home, you wouldn't transfer out of date or perished groceries from your old fridge to your new fridge, would you? So why do that with your SAP systems? I hope you can see that with Signavio Process Insights, transactional master data cleansing need not be a laborious, time-consuming task. With guided instructions for resolving issues, you can start to make significant headway in preparing your data for a successful migration to S/4HANA. Thank you very much for watching.